Sky Cable TV Kenya, Beyond the Real.
Sipping sunshine, I've been chasing rainbows day and night. Gonna take flight, take it fly. Above the clouds, we're feeling alright, alright.
Je, unahitaji manukato mazuri ya kunukia yanayodumu siku nzima? Downy Perfume ni manukato yanayodumu kwa nguo zangu siku nzima. Wengine wakiongeza manukato yanayofifia kwa muda mchache zaidi. Downy Perfume hubaki kwa nguo zangu zaidi ya manukato ya gharama. Hivyo mimi inabaki kunukia kwa nyakati ambazo ni muhimu. Kwa matumizi ya Downy, jaribu leo kwa shilingi 15 tu.
Energy is reinventing itself. That is why Total is transforming and becoming Total Energies.
The 2022 FIFA World Cup is just 1 year away from bringing you moments that make history. Don't miss a second of the action. With all 64 games broadcast live on SuperSport in crystal clear picture, complete with world-class audio.
What a wonderful goal! Just brilliant!
You'll have home ground advantage for every goal, penalty, card, and victory. Stay connected to the only broadcaster that brings you every game live.
Can you believe that?
Go TV, love it.
na ngagĩkĩhoka atĩ nĩ watindia thayũ we mwĩroreri wakwa wa Sky Cable TV ngĩkũnyita ũgeni harĩ mũtambũrũko witũ wa mohoro ma Sky Cable TV thaa ĩmwe nĩgetha ngĩgũkũmenyithia riboti na mohoro marĩa twatinda tũgĩkũharĩria mũthenya mũgima niĩ ngĩgũtambũrũkĩria njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Njaũ. Umuthi ari muthenya wa gukungwira aria mari na mawathe ngurani thĩ ng'ima mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta ni eranĩire kumanyitirira nginyagia mwisho wa thirikari yake.
To fulfill our solemn duty to guarantee persons with disabilities access to the justice system, information, the built environment, transport systems, rehabilitation services, employment, quality education, and training, as well as all other facets of life. I take this opportunity to congratulate the Ministry of Education, who after my intervention acknowledged the fact that persons of disability needed to be given a fairer chance in terms of our national examinations, and this now has been implemented. Indeed, as an affirmation of this, and thanks to the generations of Kenyans who have heroically laid the bricks of our strong foundation of social justice, I had the privilege as President to appoint 2 persons living with disabilities to our Court of Appeal, our second highest court, and many more across the length and breadth of our public service. As President, I have appointed persons living with disabilities as principal secretaries, holders of constitutional offices, members of statutory commissions, and in other senior positions in government. Indeed, yesterday, at the pass-out parade of the National Youth Service, I was happily informed that one of their best drill instructors in Gilgil is a person living with albinism. So this is wonderful. Furthermore, our Parliament boasts a record number of persons living with disabilities, a majority of whom hail from my party. Indeed, across our political spectrum, political parties have made deliberate efforts to appoint persons living with disabilities to key positions, in addition to prioritizing their nomination for elective contests. In 2013, I appointed or nominated a lady from Kajiado to be a member of parliament. Today, that lady is an elected member of parliament. In marking this day, we take cognizance of the fact that the theme for this year's celebration also resonates well with our government's commitments to promote inclusion of persons with disabilities.
Aikari kuma gicagi gia Kawira Gatundu ya Rugongo maihoirwo ni ruo na kigiriko thutha wa ikuo cia anake atatu a nyina umwe iria ciracũngĩrĩirio ni njohi ngananie ũndũ ũrĩa makomithĩtie na gĩkĩro kĩnene.
Ndathimĩra kũringana na mĩaka ĩrĩa nyuĩte kuma hĩndĩ ĩrĩa ndambĩrĩirie njohi 2005 ndeka mathabu ngona ingĩrĩ na gaburoti kana na gakari gakwa.
Njohi nĩ nyarirĩte mũno, nganyarira ciana ciakwa, arĩ wa ciana 14 na atatũ makuĩte nĩ ũndũ wa njohi, na mũthuri akuire tene ngĩtigwo na ciana ici cirĩ nini. Nĩndĩmarerete na thĩna mũingĩ, ngageria kũmathomithia na magacoka makarega gĩthomo nĩ ũndũ wa njohi. Matũrĩte manyuĩte njohi, na niĩ ndũrĩte ngiĩkaga, thĩnĩkaga, ona matihotaga gwĩteithia, matihotaga kũndeithia. Kwoguo nĩ thĩnĩkĩte mũno, na acio angĩ makuĩte nĩ ũndũ wa njohi, ũmwe tu nowe wakuire mwana, aya angĩ makuĩte marĩ agima nĩ ũndũ wa njohi. Manyarirĩte na kwendia indo cia nyũmba, ndagĩa kanyamũ makaruta makendia, nginya mũgũnda nĩ matemaga marigũ makĩendagia.
Itũra rĩrĩ nĩtũnyarirĩkĩte mũno nĩ ũndũ wa njamba njĩthĩ ũhoro wa kũnyua njohi, na rĩcokete na thutha tu ti ũndũ wa kĩndũ kĩngĩ, nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo njohi nĩyo njamba njĩthĩ ciatuire tarĩ irio. Na to njamba njĩthĩ, ona nginya athuri nĩ ũgũkora biũ mũthuri nĩ araremwo nginya nĩ mũciĩ wake nĩ ũndũ wa kĩ wa njohi. Kenjuge atĩ itũra rĩrĩ tũgeretie kũrũa mbara nene mũno na njohi. Rĩrĩ rĩa Kawĩra gũthiĩ ũguo nginya Gaitara gũtirĩ kũndũ kwendagio njohi, njohi mathiaga kũnyua kũnene. No nĩ atĩrĩrĩ, ndarona rũciũ rwake.
Nĩ ũndũ tuonete ti atĩ no mũciĩ ũyũ wĩna thĩna ũyũ, nĩ thĩna wĩ thĩinĩ wa Gĩkũyũ-inĩ, na ti thĩna wa mbeũ njĩthĩ, nĩ thĩna ũranina bamĩrĩ ngima. Ũgakora kuma mwana, kuma mũciari, guka wao, mwanamume wothe thĩinĩ wa Gĩkũyũ-inĩ, ũgakora nĩ ahotetwo mũno nĩ ũhũthĩri wa njohi mũno, na rĩu ona kwĩna ndawa ingĩ bado cingĩrĩte thĩinĩ wa icagi. Koguo ithuĩ to kũmahe treatment tũmaheaga, no bado nĩ tũrabanga gũkorwo tũgĩthomithania, na nĩ tũrona nĩ kũbataire mũno, na even ona thirikari nĩ yagĩrĩirwo ĩrore atĩ gũkinye andũ thĩinĩ wa matũra nĩ marabundithio atĩ hĩndĩ ĩrĩa wakinya wahũthĩra njohi kana wahũthĩra ndawa ciakinya a certain level, ũtangĩheo ũteithio, maita maingĩ ũkoraga andũ aingĩ mũndũ arageria gũtigana akaremwo. Rĩngĩ ũgakora rĩngĩ agakinya handũ nĩ arenda kwĩyũraga tondũ ageririe gũtigana, nĩ arona mũtũrĩre wake ndũrathiĩ wega no ndarahota. Koguo andũ nĩ mabatarĩte mũno mathomithio, nĩgetha arĩa marabanga kũingĩrĩra thĩinĩ wa maũndũ maya rĩ, maikarage makĩmenya maraingĩra ha, na arĩa marabanga na arĩa maingĩrĩte thĩinĩ wa maũndũ maya rĩ, mamenye kwĩna ũteithio.
Aikari kuma mwena wa Kisii Thika nĩmaikĩtie ihoya kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti na thirikari nene kũmateithĩria harĩ wenji wa mĩtaro thutha wa mbura ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkiura gwa kahinda rĩu kwaraha nginyagia nyũmba-inĩ ciao, ũndũ ũrĩa ũmaigĩte o na ciana ciao hatĩka-inĩ ya gũtũngia mĩrimũ ngũrani.
Kukinyesha mvua tunakuwa na shida hata ya magonjwa, tunakuwa na shida ya hata watoto kuenda shule. Kuna wengine hata mzazi yako hapa, watoto wako kwa nyumba sababu ni wadogo na hawangeweza kuenda. kwa hivyo inabidi akae nao kwa nyumba. Kwa hivyo sisi hata ukienda kwa choo sasa ni za kufresh, lakini hutafresh sababu already zimejaa na ni 2 days. Kwa hivyo tuko na shida sana na hakuna drainage, hakuna mahali maji inaenda ikitoka na huku juu na sewage inakuja inakusanyika hapa. Sasa sisi tunakaa tu katikati ya maji na ni sewage. Tunaomba tu viongozi tafadhali, sababu ni nyinyi mnapaswa kutufanyia hili jambo. Mkuje tu mtusaidie, hata kama ni trakta mtume ikuje ituchibie mtaro hii maji iweze kuelekezwa mahali inaweza enda, ili siweze hata kuenda na uhai, sababu mtoto mdogo akikuja ingie hapa hatutaongea tena jambo mzuri.
Tuna maji inakuwa hapa kama sewage. Hiyo maji inaingia kwa manyumba yetu. Tunagojeka sisi, watoto wetu, tososo wetu, tunagojeka tuote. Hata hakuna kitu tunakula, kila wakati ni hospitali hapa msikiti, mtoto ni mgonjwa, ni homa, ni pneumonia. Na saa hii ukiona nyuma yangu maji inajaa, ile inajaa nyuma yangu ni sewage na maji. Mbele yangu ni sewage na maji.
Tumesumbuka kwa muda mrefu sana, na sio mwaka moja ama miaka 2, tumesumbuka sana. Maji imefradi kila mahali, imeingia mpaka kwa manyumba zetu. Mpaka kwa manyumba uwezi hata kwa nyumba hata kuna ile nyumba mnaweka carpet, mnaweza kaeka carpet, jumla shida kwa nyumba na magambo. Kila wakati kila saa watoto wetu wanasubuka. Tukienda shule lazima wapeleke shule asubuhi, jioni kifika saa 10 tena wende kwa wachukue, kwa maana sasa hakuna mtoto hawezi kosa kwenda kwa shule. Sasa akikosa kwenda kwa shule na mtoto already, hiyo ni shida kubwa sana. Shida nyingine ni maji. Hii maji bado inachanganyikana na maji ya sewage, sababu wakati kumefradi mpaka ma sewage system zote zimefradi. Kwa sewage zikianza kutoka mahali kuna leakage ya pipe za maji safi inachanganyika, na hiyo maji sasa ndio tunakunywa. So ugonjwa pia imekuwa. Mama unaona hapa wengine hata wamegonjeka, wengine hata wameenda, kama wengine hata asubuhi tulikuwa tumejaa hapa, wengine hata walienda medical asubuhi leo kuchukua tu madawa.
Kwa majina naitwa Rosi Wangiti. Mimi ni mkaaji wa huku Thika Workers Phase 3. Na huku tumesumbuliwa sana na maji. Hii ya sewage na ya mvua yote imechanganyika, ya uchafu yote inatoka huko Mbas Park inakuja inajaa huku. Sasa tumekaa tumeshindwa, sababu hata watu wengine wamehama makwao, wamehama manyumba yao sababu ya sewage. Huku tunachimbanga masimo ya septic. Sasa hizo septic kukijaa hivi, hizo septic zinakuja juu.
Makiria ma ekoiro 12 kuma tauni ya Kiambu, kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ni maikirio ngono ni maabitha a borithi muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa aikari amwe na ucio gukaira thirikari ni wongerereku wa uhaguku wa ugitiri uria koretwo mwena ucio.
Kama hii haina namba
Adel, mimi ndo Sub County Police Commander Kiambu East. With me here I have my DCIO, Mr. Nyamai. On my left I have Mr. OCS Wainaina. Vile mnaiona kwamba masimu ziko hapa, simu ni 25 zile zimeibiwa kutoka wananchi, lakini tumerecover 25. Na wale wanaibanga hizi masimu vijana 12 sahi wako korokoroni, wameenda kotini na wameshaastakiwa na wameenda prisons. So naomba wananchi wa Kiambu, kama mtu amepata simu akuja one OCS apewe simu yake aende afanya kazi nyingine. Naomba ya wananchi kwamba Kiambu saa hii iko usalama. Unaona ile kazi tumefanya na timu yangu ya Kiambu, kazi ambayo inaonekana hawa wezi ama hawa vijana wanatumia hii kisu kwa stua wewe kidogo ndio waibe simu. Kisu tuko nazo. So na waomba ile vijana wanatoka banda Nairobi, Githogoro, those slums wanakuja Kiambu kuiba simu, masikio yao imefika. Siku ya mbizi ni siku 40. Usijaribu kukuja Kiambu kuiba simu. Ukikuja Kiambu kuiba simu utapatikana na utaenda korokoroni na utaenda jela. So kama ni kuiba, enda iba kwingine, lakini sio Kiambu. Na wahakikisha kwamba watu wa Kiambu usalama iko, na kama mtu ako na simu yake imepotea akuja one OCS, akuje achukue simu yake. Juzi na jana iko watu walikuja kuchukua simu yao na wakapatiwa. Watu 9 walikuja kuchukua simu yao na wakajulikana na wakaenda na simu zao. Wanatumia mabafu sana, wanatumia hizi kisu. Ukisaa stuliwa ukifanya tu kidogo hivi simu imeenda. Na huwa wanatumia ile bodaboda ambayo haina namba. So na waomba wale wa bodaboda chairmans wajue kwamba ile bodaboda ambayo anatoka upande Nairobi ama wapi wasikuje kukuja Kiambu. Na tumekuwa na makikati na hawa na watu wa Kiambu bodaboda chairmans, tumekubaliana kwamba bodaboda ya Kiambu itakuwa na namba ya K. K means itaanza na Kiambu. Namba ambayo sio K hawezi tukubali ingie kufanya vituko, waende wafanye kwingine.
Ahuri biacara kuma mwena wa Kiserian nondo hiyo na gikeno riu thutha wa gavana Ole Lenku kuruguria thoko njeru mwena ucio undu uria umahete mwihoko ati mihuko yao yahota kuibaiba riu.
Mimi leo nimekutana na wanabiashara wenu, watu wanafanya biashara ya ujenzi, building materials, ambaye wanafanya biashara ya mchanga, ya mawe na mambo mengi. Niliwaahidi kwamba mimi nitawajengea wao paki yao ya kupeleka malori ya ujenzi watoke ndani ya tao. Tukiondoa malori ndani ya tao hapa Kiseria mtafurahia. Sitafungua taoni yenu hapo Kiseria. Si ndio?
Kuna watu ambao wanajua vizuri sana. Wengine walikuwa na hawakufanya balloting, sijui walitoka kura wapi kwa sababu kuna wageni wengi sana na kuna watu hawakupata vibada. Ni kuna wengine ambao wamekaa huku miaka 10 lakini hawajapata vibada mpaka saa hii.
Hapa wale gavana wamefanya kazi nzuri. Lakini kuna wale ambao wanaharibu kazi nzuri. Kuna wale watu wa serikali wamesaji jalikulieni pana ya masikini.
Aigithia kuma sako ya Ekesa mari na mwihoko riu thutha wa riboti imwe kurekererio kuga ati kuri na mwihoko na kirigiriro ati sako ino ni gukorwo ikiarahurwo thutha wayo kurikia kuriha amemba othe aria meyandikithitie.
Mimi tagu tuanze, mimi hata mahali nakaa ni Ekesa imenisukuma. Kwa hivyo niko na matumaini kubwa sana. Tena na shamani wake mawaidha yake inatufanikisha sana. Tukiliganisha na sako nyingi vile simeaguka na hasirudi, na hii mpaka saa hii ni miaka karibu 3 na imerudi. Kwa hivyo tuna matumaini kubwa.
Mimi kama member nitaendelea kusave, manake hata mwenye alianzisha hii kampuni alisema hakuna yote ile atapoteza, na alikuwa na vision ya hii sako, so haijakufa, manake bado inaendelea na members kama mimi bado nitaendelea kuwekeza huko.
The only thing that I would like to...
Wakati Ekesa ilikuwa inaenda chini ama ilikuwa inaanguka, kulianguka institutions mingi sana. There were quite a number of institutions that went down during that time. Some of them were SACCOs, others were financial SACCOs, and I'm sure you have heard some of those names zikitajwa. I can tell you for sure, and this was even listed by the newspapers the other day. Kwa zile zote zilianguka, hakuna ingine hata moja inarudisha pesa. Hakuna ingine hata moja ina compensate members. Most of those ones have gone underground. You do not know who was the official, you do not know where their offices were, you do not know the bank accounts, you do not know anything. The asset recovery, actually, using their own words, they have told us, Ekesa is the first, and they are using it as a model on how to refund members their money and their properties.
We believe this SACCO, where it was in the future, it will be a model. Actually, as he says, the asset recovery team, we were with them, they have agreed, and we have only left to forward those letters. They have really done well to safeguard the assets, and we believe once the restrictions are removed, the land will be perfected. Those who have received cash from 1 shilling to 23,000, they have received. The rest will continue receiving, and those who want to remain, continue with your vision, because we are not winding up the SACCO. We are not winding the SACCO. The SACCO is going on concern. Be perfected. Those who are not winding the circle is ongoing.
Tiyo niyo igukorwo gitwikirira gaturumo mutaburuko witu wa mohoro Maskai Cable TV thaa imwe cia hwaini. Mohoro makiria ni uguthi na mbere na kumamukira nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria Facebook, Twitter, Instagram na YouTube ta Sky Cable TV Kenya. Niĩ ngũgũtamburukagiria njĩtagwo Wanjikũ Wanjaũ.